Welcome everyone to the Stark Soil and Water YouTube channel. My name is Adrienne Bach and I am the Outreach Technician for the district. Thank you for joining us today for part 2 of our green cleaning video series. Today we will cover how to make window cleaner, and we also have 2 other instructional videos that cover how to make a dry carpet shampoo and then an all-purpose cleaner. And then finally we have a classroom portion of the green cleaning series, which will talk about the many benefits and advantages of green cleaning and why it's a great practice to adopt in your home. So today's recipe for window cleaner is courtesy of the University of Tennessee Institute of Agriculture. So this recipe, you'll need 1 quart of warm water, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and then 1/4 cup of white vinegar. So step 1 is to always make sure that you're wearing gloves when you're mixing your green cleaning products. This way it'll keep your skin safe from any contaminants. Step 2 is to always make sure that you have a designated bottle and that it's labeled. I have here the name of the cleaner, the ingredients for the cleaner, and then the date of creation. And this way you know exactly what's in the bottle, when it was made, and how long you'll be able to use the product. So, in order to mix this product, you also need a designated mixing bowl and a designated mixing spoon. This way you're avoiding cross-contaminating any of your food prep utensils. So you just want to have a designated bowl and spoon. So this is a simple recipe. You'll just add your 1 quart of warm distilled water, your 1/4 cup of white vinegar, and then your 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. So you'll just add them all to the bowl and mix them until well blended. Now the solution is homogeneous and well blended, and you want to make sure that you're using warm distilled water because that helps the cornstarch dissolve. So you'll just get your bottle, take the top off, and then use your funnel and you'll pour contents of your mixing bowl into your funnel. Then once you have your solution poured into the bottle, it's ready to go. You just spray it on your windows and you can wipe it away with a reusable cotton cloth, or if you want extra shine to your glass and to your mirrors, you spray on the solution and then you wipe it away with a piece of newspaper. And that has a buffing effect, so it'll help keep your glass nice and beautiful and crystal clear. So thank you everyone for joining us today, and we hope that you'll check out the rest of our green cleaning video series, and we hope that you have a safe and happy 2023.